John Fields here with Restore Pro Disaster Cleanup and Restoration. We're located in Sandusky, Ohio. Derek asked me to talk a little bit about my experience with Spot On Solutions. I'll tell you that I've been with Derek and his team for probably 9, maybe 10 years now. I would ask the question, how many times have you been called and asked to allow somebody to evaluate your SEO, your web design, perhaps your social media, your advertising, your pay-per-click campaign, and been told that you don't have a good process in place? Well, it's like the Wild Wild West, at least in my experience. I've consulted with Derek, and we've been very successful with the campaigns that he's developed for us. I'm very happy with the web design. Derek and his team specialize in disaster restoration. They know how to market, and they have programs that will specifically help you advance your business in the market verticals that you're interested in. So talking to a team member with them who understands, Derek as an example, understands the business. Katie, when you're dealing with these guys, they know what you need and can at least have a great interview process with you and design a program that will help you be successful. So the Wild Wild West doesn't have to be that way if you work with professionals who are attuned to our needs in restoration, and I would give Derek the highest testimony as it relates to what Spot On Solutions has done for me and my company.
Hi, I'm Jeff Jones. I am the Director of Sales and Marketing for Violin Management. We work primarily in the restoration industry, helping with professional training and advisory services. And we have been a long-time partner with SOS, going on about 10 years of them helping us with our digital marketing needs in a variety of different areas. I can't tell you enough how pleased we are, how excited we are to continue our relationship with SOS. They have helped us gain a ton of both branding as well as business and clients. Their team is outstanding, and we would highly recommend them.
Hey guys, this is Karen at Violin Management, as you can probably tell. And I just wanted to take a minute and let you know how fantastic my experience has been working with Melanie. She has been incredible. She is not only so easy to work with, she and I are both a lot alike, but she is very responsive. Anytime I need anything, she is on it. So even if she can't give me the answer that I need, she lets me know that she got my message and she's looking into it and she'll get back to me. And not once have I been left waiting for an answer that I didn't know. Did she get my message? Did she not get my message? Whatever. So it has truly been a pleasure to work with her, and I think you guys are just very fortunate to have her on your team, and I am very happy to be working with her.
Hi, I'm Ron Jones. I'm with Restoration One of Winston-Salem and Greater Charlotte. I feel blessed that I was able to meet Spot On Solutions about a year into me owning the 2 companies. I'd already been through 2 digital companies that just weren't making the phone ring. I was lucky enough to meet Derek and his team and really understand that they knew restoration. With the previous 2 digital companies, I found out I was teaching them restoration. They didn't completely understand it. After spending some time talking to Derek, I actually found out that he was a previous owner of a restoration company, so he understood what I was dealing with on a day-to-day basis. His team have been excellent to work with. They've really been my #1 lead source in the 3 years that I've had them as a provider. These guys have been great to work with. A couple times in a month span, I had situations where, not created by Spot On Solutions, but by outside entities, my GMB was shut down right before COVID, my website DNS got changed. With the larger firms, I never felt like I could reach out to the CEO, president of the company, and say, I got an issue. With Derek, I was able to simply give him a text, and within 30 minutes, he was on the call fixing the problem and had me back up and running sooner than any other company, I believe. If you're having issues with support, with talking with your provider, creating strategies, or just getting your phone to ring, I highly recommend you give Spot On Solutions a call.
Hello, I am Mark Johnson from MA Restoration. We are out of Westboro, Massachusetts, and we've been with Spot On Solutions for over 5 years now for our digital marketing advertisement. And so what they bring to the table is the experience to get all our digital marketing done, that we don't have to worry about that. We have the leads coming in, life is good.
Hi, my name is Vance. I'm one of the owners at GW Savage, and we're located in Burlington, Vermont. Derek asked me to give a testimonial, and in discussions, I think it would be best if I were to just anticipate talking directly to another contractor that's in the industry. We as a company, we were looking for an increased internet presence as well as better internet lead generation. SOS has nailed this dead on for us. I work with Maggie. Maggie contacts me on a monthly basis. She also sends me a monthly report that is Google Analytics. Those reports and those meetings are invaluable to me and our company. One of the most noticeable things that we've seen is a significant increase in our lead generation through the website and through our online leads, and that's a direct reference to SOS's work. As an owner and being in the industry for 22 years, I would recommend without a doubt SOS for their digital marketing services.
Hey Derek, this is Gary Pinkney from GW Savage in Vermont. I just wanted to let you know we love working with Spot On Solutions. We basically were able to get rid of all of our programs that we were working with, TPW programs, and replace all of that work with the stuff that you've helped us do on social media. It's been great.